Today I'd like to show you the fingerprint shootout between isopropyl alcohol and acetone on this section of aluminium extrusion. It's got the handling fingerprints and all that sort of stuff that I need to clean up. You might be able to see the bit of discoloration. It's hard to get it on the camera, but a bit of white, a bit of a rub. And still there, but smudged. So I'll do the acetone first. I always buy it bulk, so that's the container I siphoned off into. And when you buy it bulk, they give you a little spray bottle. So I'll just put it on. And as soon as you put it on, you can see where it sits. It makes a change of colour, but then there's some areas you see where it doesn't really clean it that well. So we'll give it a good rub. So how much I put on. The rag is still damp. Big fingerprint here, some here, still there. And that's how dirty it comes. Now, if it's cleaned it, the acetone has cleaned it, when I spray on the isopropyl and wipe it, nothing should come off. So if the acetone is a good cleaner, this should have no effect. If it's not the best cleaner, this should have effect. So let's see what happens. This is just a spray. As you can see, much better. This is after the acetone has cleaned it. So, still got those dark marks there. And not moving it. Give it a rub. So, proof is in the pudding. If you want to get rid of fingerprints, acetone has its uses. Well, isopropyl is a clear winner. So, thanks for watching. And if you've got any questions, subscribe and they'll be answered. And if you want to watch some more movies full of wisdom, just search for @The Wizard on YouTube and you'll find it.